Hello everyone. Welcome to On the Road with Miss Stephanie. Today I am premiering at a wonderful place. I am at Bosserd Farm. So by the time you see this video, unfortunately, they are going to be closed. But don't worry, they are reopening again in March, from March until October. And man, I tell you, this is an amazing place to visit. They have everything. Right now I'm standing, I wonder if you can guess who is behind me. It's the Very Hungry Caterpillar, one of our favorite Willard Library stories. So again, you get an opportunity with your family, come on down to 14721 Verona Road, Marshall, Michigan 49068. They are open daily from 9 to 6 from March until October 31st. They are a family-owned and operated farm market and greenhouse business ever since 1996. So I am excited and grateful they are allowing me to be able to read a story time. Speaking of story time, the reason why I am premiering virtually is because during my story time, it's during the Thanksgiving season. So what better way to celebrate Thanksgiving by talking about having gratitude, have an attitude of gratitude. So today I am going to read to you, We Give Thanks. And by the way, if you have an opportunity, go to Willard Library or our Helen Warner branch. While supplies last, we will have grab and go kits that you can pick up, and some of them will have Thanksgiving crafts in them. So make sure you go by the Willard Library, check out our November and December brochure, and pick up a grab and go kit. So the book that I'm going to read to you today is written by Cynthia Ryland, illustrated by Sergio Ruzier, and we would like to thank Simon & Schuster for publishing this book and allowing us to be able to read this book to you. It's called We Give Thanks. What do you give thanks for? November and all throughout the year, it's always important for us to give thanks. You can do it by reading a book. You can do it by having a gratitude jar. Every day, draw a picture or write a note, put it in a gratitude jar. You can go on a gratitude hunt. Go outside and enjoy nature and appreciate everything that we have. You can do a gratitude journal. You can do a postcard and send it to someone that you are grateful for. But in all things, we should give thanks. So, with that being said, let me read this story. We give thanks for mittens and for coats and boots and hats. We give thanks for yellow dogs and yellow kitty cats. We give thanks for apple trees and bushes filled with roses. We give thanks for nice warm soup and fires to warm our toeses. We give thanks for cousins and for fathers and for mothers. We give thanks for grandpas and for sisters and for brothers, aunties and uncles, neighbors too, grandmas great and greater. The mailman, the grocer, and the nice Italian waiter. We give thanks for the sun and rain and snow. We give thanks for bikes and skates and cars that help us go. We give thanks for beetles, bees, and spotted ladybugs. We give thanks for kisses, and we give thanks for hugs. We give thanks for plates and cups and spoons and forks and ladles. We give thanks for kitchens and for food on kitchen tables. Bless our nights and bless our days and bless all those we meet. We give thanks for everything, and now it's time to eat. And that is the name of our story. We give thanks. Do you give thanks?